Hey everyone, today I want to tackle a common misconception that starting a business is the fastest way to get rich. While building a successful company can make you wealthy, diving straight into entrepreneurship rarely works out. In this video, I'll walk through the 6 steps I recommend taking before launching a business if your goal is to get rich. My hope is to provide a realistic blueprint to set you up for success when the time is right. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Find your natural talents. First, instead of following random passions, identify what innate skills and abilities you already possess. Obsessing over finding your passion can be misleading advice. What really matters is uncovering your natural talents that have money-making potential. Take an honest inventory of what you're truly good at. Review past jobs, hobbies, and experiences for clues. Make a list of your strengths. If certain talents consistently pop up, focus on strengthening those since they likely indicate your greatest aptitudes. For example, I found I excelled at sales, public speaking, connecting with people, and thinking creatively. So, I leaned into jobs using those skills, like sales, marketing, and training, to start consistently making money from my natural abilities. Don't just assume you know your talents. Actually, test yourself across different roles and situations. Sign up for a public speaking competition, take a sales job, explore various avenues to determine where you naturally shine, then double down on developing those innate gifts. It's important not to overlook talents you may take for granted. Really scrutinize your abilities, even basic things many people can do. For instance, if you're a naturally gifted writer, focus on opportunities to hone that skill. Or if you have an aptitude for numbers and analytics, look for jobs involving data analysis and financial modeling. Small talents can turn into major income sources with the right direction. Sometimes our innate talents are hidden gems we haven't discovered yet. Be open to trying completely new experiences to reveal special skills you never knew you had. Take a painting class, learn an instrument, join a sports league. These activities draw out different abilities that could prove quite valuable. You may discover a hidden passion that provides the foundation for a lucrative business down the road. Step 2. Dedicate yourself and learn. Rather than just doing the minimum, fully dedicate yourself to a job to accelerate your learning. Even a seemingly basic job provides opportunities to gain valuable skills quickly. For instance, working fast food teaches sales, operational skills, and customer service very quickly. The key is actively trying to learn and gain expertise that transfers to starting a business someday. Avoid falling into the quiet quitting trap. Go above and beyond to master useful abilities. Become known as the person to handle the toughest situations. This builds your confidence and experience. Even if you dislike a job, maintain a positive attitude and keep growing your skills. See it as a stepping stone to your eventual entrepreneurial success. Don't burn bridges through laziness or negativity. Step up and ask for additional responsibilities. Find a mentor within the company who can teach you. Become a lifelong learner who soaks up every bit of knowledge possible. Make each job count. The skills and work ethic you build will stay with you for life. Developing diligence, dedication, and a thirst for knowledge will propel your career much further than just natural talents alone. Cultivate a growth mindset. View every task, even tedious ones, as chances to get better. Doing the little things with excellence shows you can handle bigger things. Earning promotions not only teaches new skills, but builds your resume and network too. Position yourself as an indispensable asset to the company through consistent hard work. Practice skills during personal time too. Read books and blogs. Listen to podcasts, watch tutorials. Successful people spend 5 to 10 hours learning every week. Be creative, finding ways to constantly expand your knowledge on nights, weekends, and commutes. Knowledge compounds exponentially over time. Step 3. Build your network and image. Next, consciously work on expanding your network and crafting your personal image. Meeting influential people and making a great first impression gives you social capital to draw on later. Nurture relationships with coworkers, bosses, clients, industry veterans, or anyone well-connected. But focus on depth over quantity. A few powerful allies are worth more than lots of superficial contacts. Likewise, vigilantly manage your image. Be punctual, helpful, and reliable. Exude confidence and competence. Your reputation will quickly spread. Craft your personal brand carefully, both online and offline. Let your talents shine through. Be memorable by sharing unique perspective. Soon people will be seeking you out to connect. When networking, put the relationship first, not just what you want. Don't just talk about yourself. Take a genuine interest in others' lives and goals. Help out without expecting anything in return. Also, remember people often hire those they know and like. So being likable and forming real bonds will pay off big time. Share stories, humor, and vulnerabilities to build rapport quickly with new contacts. Find common interests beyond just business. Send personalized gifts and well wishes. The more people see you as a friend, the more opportunities will come your way. Finally, leverage social media and digital platforms to expand your network globally. Post regularly to grow your audience and engage followers. Comment on influencers' posts. Join forums and groups in your industry. Attend virtual events. Use quality content and engagement to establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Step 4. Identify business problems. Pay close attention to issues and inefficiencies at jobs you work. Note what managers struggle with or where they fall short. You'll gain invaluable insight into real business problems. For example, at a restaurant you may notice food waste, disorganization, or poor supplier relationships. Or at a retailer, high employee turnover and inadequate training. Write down every issue you see. You now have an outline of problems needing solved and gaps in the market. This knowledge will prove invaluable when starting your own company. Make it a habit to analyze systems and processes at every job. Spotting even small inefficiencies adds up over time. The more business problems you identify, the more potential business ideas you can brainstorm. Look beyond surface-level problems to understand root causes. Ask why issues happen and trace back to the origins. For example, a store having disorganized inventory could stem from improper training, lack of accountability, outdated tracking systems, etc. Pinpointing true sources creates actionable solutions. Also, catalog difficulties experienced by customers. Frustrations like long waits, confusing instructions, and lack of help signal areas for innovation. Pay attention to complaints and negative reviews too. These contain golden insights for startups aiming to delight customers where incumbents continually fall short. Step 5. Test solutions with a side hustle. Before going all in on a business idea, first validate it with a side hustle. Sell a product or offer services part-time while still working full-time. This allows you to refine your concept with minimal risk. Pay close attention to feedback from paying customers. Their input is more valuable than anyone else's. Use lean startup methodology. Release a minimum viable product to gauge interest. Improving based on user feedback helps craft the optimal business model. Let data guide you. Track sales, costs, customer demographics, marketing channels, and other key metrics. Numbers don't lie. They point the way to a profitable business. You may need to test several side hustle ideas before finding a winner. Treat failures as learning experiences. With enough experimentation, you'll uncover a money-making concept. A side hustle lets you get concrete proof your business solves a real problem that customers will pay to fix. This evidence of product-market fit gives the confidence to eventually go all in on your concept. Remember, Uber, Airbnb, Etsy, and other famous startups began as humble side hustles. They incrementally tested assumptions before reaching global scale. You can follow the same proven path to go from unknown side hustler to industry titan. Step 6. Launch your business. If your side hustle shows promise, you can now confidently leave your job to focus on it full-time. After following the previous steps, your odds of success are far higher. Remember, the world's most successful entrepreneurs like Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg honed their skills for years before launching their empires. They obsessively learned and networked. Resist the temptation to rush into starting a business just to earn quick money. Lay the proper foundation following this 6-step plan, and your income potential is limitless. The key is having patience and not expecting overnight success. But with hard work and dedication, you can absolutely attain extreme wealth through entrepreneurship. When launching your business full-time, bootstrap as much as possible. Minimize upfront costs by using lean startup tactics like renting, not buying equipment, outsourcing flexibly, and avoiding unnecessary overhead. Plow early profits back into growth, not your own salary. Stay scrappy and reinvest every dollar possible. Expand methodically based on data, not guesses. Test small before going big. Try new products, prices, markets incrementally to find what works. Adapt quickly, but avoid reckless growth without proof of profitability. Losing money faster by getting too big too fast is not smart growth. Do you have any business ideas after following these steps? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about how to start a business the smart way. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.